This strategy works worldwide and you won't need a camera or any skills in order to get paid. This is for free and it is easy as long as you'll be watching every single step that I will be showing you in this video. Make sure you won't skip any parts of this video because you might not earn anything if you do. Doing this won't take too much of your time, and for sure, the benefits that you'll get from this is just awesome. Just imagine making money online in an easy way, so watch the full video to learn how. This will help you earn money online, so make sure to follow each step that I show you in this video. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the very first site we'll be using is called Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will be paying us. Now Shutterstock is a place where you can literally find thousands of royalty-free images. Now this means when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. The reason so many people are using Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper to pay Shutterstock a set amount of money per month and download images that were taken by professional photographers rather than to buy a camera and try to take them yourself, or alternatively having to pay a photographer. So this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just a simply cheaper, easier alternative way for you to find great looking images. Now you'll find on their homepage some of the world's biggest companies. You have the likes of Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel. So it's definitely a legitimate website. Now as I said, this site will pay us and this means that we will have to upload the photos here. But here's the catch. You won't need a camera or any skills for this purpose. I know that most of you watching this don't have a camera, let alone skills or experience in photography, so I'll make it clear right away that you won't need any of them. Something that makes Shutterstock so great to make money online is that you will essentially be making money passively. The way that you get paid is as simple as when someone downloads your photo. You get a set amount of money, and since your photos stay on here forever, that means you can make money in pure passive income. You just upload photos here and leave them be, and that's all there is to it. Something that makes Shutterstock even better is the fact that it is so popular. You can see the exact statistics here on SimilarWeb. As far as Shutterstock is concerned, the numbers are always increasing. As you can see, this is the number of people visiting the site in the past month. So basically, not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, it also means that you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money. As you remember, as I said earlier, that the numbers have been increasing, so it's a great time to start using it to get paid. Anyway, back on Shutterstock, I want to show you what you need to do when you first come here. And that is to scroll down to the very bottom, then click on Sell Your Content, which is located just under the Contributor section. Doing so will take you straight over to here, and on this page, there are several things I'd like to show you. First off, you can see in a bit more detail how this works. So basically, photographers take their pictures, then they upload them to Shutterstock. And then they will make money every time the content is downloaded by one of the worldwide customers. So like I said before, the more downloads in your photo, the more money you will make. Since this site gets so much traffic, it's virtually guaranteed that you'll get paid a decent amount of money. Lastly, on this website, you can see that you can also refer people here to earn more money. The site is actually fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and I'll go over that later on. For now though, the last thing I want to show you is this. By clicking on See Global Earnings right here, you'll see that this site is available worldwide in most countries, and so Shutterstock definitely is. If you're from Africa, Asia, or whatever, it doesn't even matter. This site will work in your country and you can make money by using it. Now in any case, To get started working for Shutterstock, what you need to do is come back over here and click on Get Started. You can just enter your basic information and create an account and you're good to go. Now with that done, let me show you the site where you can get the set of photos. And idplr.com is what you'll want to use. This is a site where you can find not only images but also various other products. You can see which products exactly by hovering your mouse over products. You've got ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music. Now, since we are after photos, you want to click on that with resale rights button located just under the graphics section. That will take you over here, and as you can see, it says graphics with resale rights, which means we have full rights to make money off these photos. Something I really like about this site that I think you will too is that these photos are all grouped into packages, so you won't have to spend so much time downloading them one by one. Just download one of these packages that contain hundreds up to thousands of different photos. For example, here's one of those that I have opened up. If you scroll down here, you'll see that this can be sold. You can sell this and make money out of it. You also have some of these things that you can't do, such as modify the product, so keep that in mind and make sure to read all of these before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, you just have to click on download right here, and in order to do that, you will need an account, so just click on here to create one real quick. Once you do, you'll want to download all the packages you can find on here, and then just come back over to Shutterstock and upload all of these photos. There will be so many of them that enables you to make a lot more money in passive income, since we're literally talking about thousands of photos here. Now with that said, for those of you who have stayed up with me until this point, I actually have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money in passive income through their referral program. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page once more and click on Affiliates located under the Partner section. And check this out! Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So a single person here can earn you up to $300. It's that insane, guys! Now Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So it's definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. I know you don't exactly need to do this, but in my opinion, it's a great option to have since the money will start adding up once we add the affiliate program in question. Now lastly, in case you're a photographer or want to become one and you have a camera, then that is the best option out of all, since taking the photos yourself will add originality. And to top it all off, you'll be able to do what you love, so in that case, you don't need my strategy in order to get paid. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.